What is up? It is the Robinhood Fiend, and happy Monday, you money grubbing fiends. And this is how we looking today after a weekend of freaking absolute madness with the protest. I was expecting this to be down or something because of uncertainty, but these niggas are taking it in full stride. Look at this. Oh yeah. I bet tasty. Look at the average price. Stagging up, but still going up. Okay. They hit me with a cheeky dividend. Alright, let's hit it. Hey, let's not look at that for too long. Oh, move on. And low risky position I took. It'll pay off. I know it. Even Ford's coming up, even though they're trash to me. They're literally human excrement. We got Big O, you know what I'm saying? I told you I was fiending for that. And it's almost paying off. We're close. We are very close. Let's see what else hey, if this keeps going up, it will not only recover, it'll help me out on the call I bought. Because the Spanish banks are opening up, the Spanish sports are opening up. They need money. Hey, you guys hear me talking about Big Titty Ameritrade? How about the Big Titty Bank? High interest titties. But look at this shit. I know my average price is kind of embarrassing, but hey, I'm breaking even. It's 1.5 shares, and I'm just gonna compound whatever dividends they do give me. Maybe in 50 years I'll have 5 shares. Look at this bitch just pop up. Hey, but if it does recover, I'm looking at a cheeky profit. It's crazy how mostly every stock jumped. Ooh, except for this one. Let's not look at it. Let's just keep looking at it then. Oh my. But yeah, I think normally it was around $10. So 461 times 10, around 4.46, 4.7. Looking a bit tasty. Damn it, shout out to the boy Elon, bro. He landed in the fucking space station. 10 out of 10 would do again, he said. And yeah, look at this. Even the headline right there says it all. Right there, the SpaceX shit. SpaceX makes Tesla look good. Look at the stocks or whatever that bitch said. Can you scroll back down and show them? God damn, look, I'm getting lost in that total return. 200%. Yeah, I'm kind of a genie. Rub my cock and I'll give you 3 wishes. Damn, I'm sounding like Jeffrey Epstein. But anywho, this is one of the gambles I took. Another gamble I took. It's looking good. It's looking quite tasty. Hey, and if you're watching this, shout out to the boy Justin. He said he watches my videos, so hey, I'm just putting this out at the end of it so I can check you next time, bruh. Hey, yes sir. Oh, look at that Big Titty Bank, Big Titty Ameritrade, hand in hand. Ooh, it's recovering. I'm smelling some cheeky profits, but look at this, looking good.